My significant barrier was accomplished. I'm able to connect with women now.
I would say this is probably the most results-driven boot camp I've ever taken.
When they just met the models, they were like very scared. And even by the end of the first day, they started opening up, and the guys don't even realize how actually attractive they are. They think that they're like, don't look right, but this is absolutely not about it. The minute they have this like tiny energy shift, you can see them absolutely differently. So attractive.
I've never felt this good about socializing, talking to girls, talking to women, getting dates. I have 3 dates this weekend. I've never had like more than 1 date in a week, honestly. So this is like a huge jump.
One of the biggest challenges for me is I was trying to figure out how to find the girls that I really wanted to get to. First night that I started working with you, we went on a date and I was with 8 different women.
After the boot camp, I feel absolutely amazing. I feel like Superman right now. I feel like I've gained a superpower.
Today I wanted to say an unbelievably massive thank you so much to everyone in the Attractive Man team. All the coaches there are super experienced, super successful, and super intelligent. And now I'm finally able to start getting the results that I finally wanted. I'm able to truly enjoy my life, have the success that I want with women, and literally not have that same confusion and frustration and feeling of incompetence. Now I truly love who I am, and the transformation is just phenomenal. Strongly high recommend for anyone that's on the fence about these programs.
I actually was able to connect with a woman that I thought was totally out of my league. I was speechless.
I started The Attractive Man back in 2009 because I wanted to help as many men as possible overcome the fear that they have when it comes to approaching beautiful women. I myself was actually very terrified and super socially awkward back in high school. I studied naturals, I studied female psychology, I studied other dating coach company, and just found 80-20, the things that work the best when it comes to being the type of man that's naturally attractive to women. The Attractive Man, just owning who you are as a man and becoming the most masculine and attractive version of yourself. And that's what we teach in our 3-day and 7-day boot camps.
What I like is I feel like now I build up a lot of momentum to be able to move on and bring this home and meet a lot more chicks, make my life a lot more full and just a lot more dynamic. And that's what I really got out of this, was just feeling a lot better about myself and my approaches, and also just in my interactions.
Flavor her with your intention. That catches the interest and that sparks the attraction and creates the tension. And the calmer you are, the more you can feel the tension. The more you can feel the tension, the more you can connect emotionally, because the tension is actually the emotional bridge for the connection.
That what Matt's doing here is really great. Also kind of just bringing the human connection back into dating. In this tech world that we're in, it's often that when a man approaches a woman, the woman is just like maybe confused or scared, and they don't really know how to approach people in the right way anymore because we're always on our phones. So I think that by him going city to city and doing this, he's doing a lot.
Feel your legs. It's okay if you're nervous. Step in again.
I would definitely say this is the best investment I've made in myself, because I think this is the best return on investment I can get in my life. So I think if anyone is hesitant, I would say don't be. Every coach is there to help you out, and you will definitely improve your game and life in general as well. Whatever beliefs you have, it would totally change, right, for good.
This program is not really a dating program. It's really more like a self-development and improvement program. So if that's what you're looking for, you should join.